Yeah, HIPAA is extremely boring. Kind of like ICD-10, but we don't have as good of pictures, I think. So Catalyze, we're a Madison-based healthcare technology company, and we actually do make it up to Fargo somewhat frequently because Arthur's our favorite investors. And so we were grateful for the opportunity to come back for Health Pitch. And we're also grateful that Health Pitch did not include Mert and SwipeSense because I've seen their pitch several times, and it makes everything else pale in comparison. So at Catalyze, we are simplifying healthcare compliance, and the idea is to help innovators and people with ideas and trying to build technology and technology-enabled services to improve healthcare, allow them to focus on their core product, allow them to focus on their users and their value, and hand off the compliant plumbing and the unique security and privacy requirements that exist in healthcare, hand those off to us. So as everybody tonight has really talked about, there are these massive shifts coming into healthcare. They're being driven by forces, immovable forces at this point, public and private, as well as consumer changes and expectations around healthcare. I put up 5 buckets of areas where technology and technology-enabled services or solutions are being built. So vendors as well as enterprises are building tools within these areas. And all these areas stand to have significant impact on healthcare to improve the quality and lower the cost. And one of the other things that they all share with each other, just by virtue of being in healthcare, are unique security and privacy requirements that are defined by HIPAA. And so the reason why that's important to understand is that HIPAA really, for software developers, is like a black box. It's also very much a black box when it comes to modern technologies. There's a lot of misunderstanding about things like cloud-based technologies and APIs when it comes to HIPAA. And so we're tackling those for our customers and essentially providing a HIPAA-compliant black box or platform, cloud-based platform that our customers tap into, that they utilize to achieve compliance from a technology and an infrastructure perspective without having to understand all the inner workings of that black box. You can see some of our customers up there. We're really excited. We haven't talked about it much, but we recently signed a DA to a national contract. Blue Shield is a large payer, and just last week we signed SwipeSense as a customer, so we're particularly excited about that as well. And so why are customers choosing us? The first is standards. So Blue Shield of California, they're utilizing Catalyze to enforce standards when it comes to software development, whether it be internal development or they use a lot of third-party developers, and they're all building on Catalyze. Cost, all of our customers realize significant cost savings, typically in terms of just the infrastructure, as well as not having to hire information security engineers and experts. And then risk. We do take on more risk than any of the other vendors in the space, and there is significant risk associated with HIPAA and data security breaches, so that's another reason why our customers choose us. You can see here again a list of the customers that we're working with. We're helping these customers move faster. We're helping them do what they do best, and we're taking on some of the unique security and privacy requirements that would exist within healthcare. I'd love to tell anybody about some of the customers that we're working with, how we're helping them, and see if there may be a way to help some of the very cool innovators in the room move a little faster.